Hispanic Social Assembly presents the care program for children and young people in highly vulnerability situations in Venezuela. Venezuela is going through a complex humanitarian emergency according to the United Nations organization, which is the result of a combination of political instability, conflicts and violence, social inequalities and underlying poverty. Venezuelan children are threatened by the increase in poverty, from which an increase in all forms of malnutrition and food insecurity has been generated, an increase in maternal, neonatal and infant mortality, the appearance of preventable diseases by vaccines, a serious deterioration of the educational system and the obligation of many families to migrate to survive. Hispanic Social Assembly develops this program in a comprehensive manner to intervene in the vulnerabilities of children and youth in Venezuela. The project is developed in 5 programs: Food Program, Educational Program, Agrarian Program, Primary Medical Care and School Infrastructure Program. Food Program, designed to provide the educational community with a healthy and nutritious eating program, includes permanent day of nutritional training for the entire educational community. Educational Program, Volunteer Children's Program, School Promoters. They will be multipliers in their communities to promote the values of good nutrition, teamwork, peace and non-violence and cooperation, and extracurricular program, designed to create and strengthen competencies in children and young people of school age. Agrarian Program. Spaces for cultivation and agricultural production are identified. Its implementation is at the national level and the production will be the ones to attend the food program. With this, rural areas will be enabled for internal consumption. The productive training of the communities of the sector is included in the program. Primary Medical Care. Program a pediatrician in each school. It is estimated that 60 pediatricians will care for and evaluate the physical development of children and young people of school age at the national level. Includes vaccination program, sexual and reproductive education day program and counseling and psychological help program, support for children and young people with learning disorders. This program includes care for mothers, fathers, representatives and the family. School Infrastructure Program. Each school has been identified as requiring minor and major repairs. It is expected that this program will remedy these spaces for the proper functioning of schools by creating an ideal space for children and young people to learn. Our promise is to be a determining factor that promotes the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals. Hispanic Social Assembly. United with talent and passion.